Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss a very important point and this point will reduce a lot of efforts here of formatting. So now what we are going to do, I am going to do this format but I will record that format for future reference also. So we have this option of cell style. I will go to this new cell style and just take an example. I am creating a format named Sony. In this, I am taking this format as general format only. In the alignment, I am mentioning center as well as middle here, like center only, and I need rep text information. After that, I need font of Aptos display that should be bold, 14 of size, color should be white, and then we have this border also outline. Then fill also we can put like this will be an orange effect color and we can just click OK. Once we click OK, you can see as of now there is no change, but in the cell style it is recorded now with my name. And if I am clicking, you can see how it is changing this information. See, so this is a recording part. Please try this information for rest of the data and let me know in the comments.